Hey guys, Dirt and Rust. Got a few finds to show you. Got these really cool old grass clippers, 𝐃𝐤𝐫𝐿 USA. I got this for $1. I really like this locking mechanism down here on the bottom. Pretty cool. And believe it or not, I cleaned this screwdriver up. It's got quite the personality here. It's got somebody's initials there. I don't know, it's just a cool screwdriver. Got this Balisong butterfly knife here. Stainless, Pakistan. I'm probably going to show what I have here, and I'm going to make some shorts out of these and maybe show a little more details. Tobacco knife here. Tobacco pocket knife. Let's see here. It says Oppenheimer on there. Still a little dirty. Pipe scraper. We got this guy here. PIC stainless Japan. Got these bone scales. Little pin blade there. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.